Good day, everyone. Today, we will discuss an important topic in statistics, measures of central tendency. These measures help us understand the center of a data set. The four key measures we will cover are mean, median, mode, and range. So let's begin. First, we start with the mean. So the mean is also known as the average. So it is found by adding all data values and dividing the sum by the number of values or classes in a data set. So the formula would be mean is equal to the sum of the numbers divided by the number of classes or the number of values in a data set. For example, find the mean of the following scores. We have 2, 5, 6, 1, and then 6. Using the formula mean is equal to sum of the numbers divided by the number of classes, just plug in all the values. So sum is addition, the result of addition. So get the sum of the numerator, that would be 20. So 20 divided by 5, the mean would be 4. Next, we have the median. What is the median? So a median is the middle value. It is found by arranging the original data values from ascending or descending order, then locate the middle value. So consider the data set 1, 4, 6, 3, 2. So arranging it in order, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. So determining the median value, we will have, okay, just use canceling out, okay? So the middle value would be 3. So the median is 3. What if we have an even set of data? So if there are two middle numbers, let's try this one. Find the median of the data set. So 8, 4, 2, and 10, we have 2, 4, 8, and 10 if we're going to arrange this one. So this and this, we cancel it. So we have two middle values. If there are two middle values, we have to find the average or the mean. So the mean would be 4 plus 8 divided by 2. So 4 plus 8 is 12 divided by 2. The median is 6. Next, we have the mode. The mode is the number that appears most frequently in a data set. So the values or that value that occurs or occur most often. Okay, for example, in the set 25616, the mode is 6 because it appears twice. So the mode is 6 because it appears twice. If no number repeats, there is no mode. If multiple numbers repeat, the data set is multimodal. Let's take a look at the second example. So what is the mode here in the data set? So we have 84 because it appeared twice, and we also have 85 because it appears twice. So we have 84 and 85. Remember, we can have more than one mode. And letter C, what is the mode? We have 1 appears twice, 7 also appears twice, and 5 also appears twice. So we have three modes, 1, 5, and 7. Okay. Next, we have range. The range is the difference between the highest and lowest values. So we have a range measures the spread of data. For example, what is the range of the data set? 25616. Identifying the highest and the lowest, we have 6 is the highest and 1 is the lowest. So just subtract them. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Therefore, the range of the data is 5. And next, we have the highest value is 91 and the lowest value is 64. So we have 91 minus 64. The range is 27. So in conclusion, measures of central tendency